Reggae is about something that you cannot explain because reggae is magical and it changed the face of the world in terms of music.
Free than a boy. Kingston, free than a boy. Portmore, free than a boy. Yo Papin, free than a boy. Jamie line mount no view to Chisholm. CLM Trilani Sentan. Spain town Riverton Breton. They are to crush pagan. Free this. I mean this, and I don't know where you're swimming and I see this. Bad man thing, no boy can't see this. I mean I mingle with gender, I rock with no penis. Real bad man.
What I love about dancehall is there's a certain energy and there's certain passion in the movement, and it's this feeling that I get that I just want to express and share with the world.
My first introduction to dancehall was actually deployed with my battle buddies in Iraq. And that was one of the things that kind of kept us moving.
And it doesn't matter where you're from, it doesn't matter what color your skin is, everybody can do dancehall.
It's my first language before French, and I don't realize I dance. It's like when you breathe, you don't realize you breathe. So I really don't think I'm dancing dancehall. It's just part of me, it's part of my skin, it's part of my inside, and I dedicated my life to it, and I will dedicate it to my last breath.
Oh, no, like that.
Something about that music, something about that feeling that you get whenever that beat drops. It's something that takes you to a total another place. So learning a little bit about the culture through my friends that are natives of Jamaica, they really just helped me to love this so much more because there's so much depth behind the movement, depth behind the music. There's depth behind this art.
This music was so powerful, this culture was so huge, so I said I have to teach it. This is the only way to spread a culture, is to teach it. I had to build something fun and strong and real for the people, to bring people to listen to dance. And because I had not all the information, I had to use my inspirations. I called it Ragga Jam because it's my expression of the Jamaican culture as a European young white lady.
It's no wonder that it's spread literally worldwide, why everybody is gravitating to what they feel based off of dancehall. I love it. Can't help it.
Passion, love, rhythm, strength, power, sexuality. It's my first language, my love. It's my everything. I am the woman I am because of dancehall.
It's just about how much you put into it, and you have to really reach down inside of your soul, pull it out, and just work the moves. I mean, it's for everybody, and I think everybody around the world can enjoy dancehall.
Thank you for working your ass off to learn, to study, and to go and to bring people and to go study, and you know what? Follow these two ladies. They are mad sick. Big up my ladies. Bye.